Good morning, YouTube peeps. I just woke up and I felt like doing a video, so I just tried this stuff, Cuttwood bird brains, which is like a fruity pebble cereal. Cuttwood bird brains. Oh yeah. It actually tastes like I am eating a bowl of fruity pebbles and milk. That is awesome. Because I just woke up and I'm vaping my cereal. Oh, I don't have to get fatter by eating it. I just vape it, okay? So this is my new diet. I just vape whatever I want to eat. So now if they could come out with a beef jerky flavor. Beef jerky. Ugh, I don't know if that would be good, but bird brains. This is my Mutation X V5 Plus clone thing. Yeah. But it works good. Yes. Fruity Pebbles and milk. Yeah. That is awesome shit. So if you haven't tried it, sure it's been out a while. Cuttwood bird brains. Oh yeah. Very good. Handcrafted here in California where I live. Oh yeah. I'm a Bay Area guy. So yeah, if you haven't tried it, Cuttwood bird brains. The lemon, I know I've heard a lot about lemon vapes, and this one you can taste the lemon, but it's only a hint. I can also taste strawberry and blueberry. I'm guessing is the blue fruity pebble. But yes, this shit is awesome. Love it. So if you haven't tried it, go and get Cuttwood bird brains. Bird brains. Yes. I'm starting to like cereal vapes. Anyway. Bird brains, Cuttwood. Go and get it now.